In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Netflix as an app on your MacBook. Now, in order to do this, you'll need to make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your Mac. So I'm just going to head over to my Launchpad, and then you need to go and open up the Google Chrome browser. If you don't already have this installed, then you can go and download it for free. Now, from Google Chrome, just head over to the Netflix website, and once you're on this website here, we can click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side. You can then scroll down to Cast, Save and Share and click on this, and then you can click on Install Page as App. You can then go and give this the name of Netflix and press Install. Now, as you can see, this is going to install Netflix as its own application on your Mac computer, and you can see that this works separately from the internet browser. Now, once you've finished installing this, you can go and open up your Launchpad. You can then search for Netflix and you'll be able to find it in your list of applications. You can also see we have Netflix in the bottom of the taskbar, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.